Hello children, welcome back to our English Mulberry class. I hope all of you must have revised your chapters. Today we are going to study chapter 8, A Big Parcel, and today we are going to discuss the book exercise. Let's start the exercises. The first question is, put a tick right against the correct answer. A. Whose birthday is it? The options given are Seema's father's, Seema's sisters, Seema's. In the chapter we have read, it is Seema's birthday today. So the answer is Seema's. Put a tick right against Seema's. B. What is Seema's father doing? The options given are blowing up balloons, baking a cake, reading the newspaper. So, what is Seema's father doing? Seema's father is blowing up the balloons. So, we will put a tick right against blowing up balloons. C. Who rings the doorbell? The options are Neelam, Ali, the postman. So, who rings the doorbell? Neelam and Ali are Seema's friends. They are already in the living room with Seema. So, who rings the doorbell? The postman rings the doorbell. The answer is the postman. D. Who sends the big parcel for Seema? Seema's aunt, Seema's grandmother, Seema's mother. So, who sent the parcel? Yes, Seema's grandmother sent the parcel for Seema. The next exercise is, put a tick right against the sentences that are true and a cross against those that are false. A. Seema is happy to receive a gift from her grandmother. This is true because Seema's grandmother had sent her a gift and she was happy to receive it. So this is right. B. Ali and Neelam also receive gifts from Seema's grandmother. This is wrong because only Seema had received a gift from her grandmother. So put a cross here. C. Seema's mother is cooking. This is wrong because Seema's mother was hanging ribbons on the wall. So this is wrong. Put a cross here. Let's move to the next part, word wall. Look at the pictures. Unscramble the words given below each of them. You can see 3 pictures here. You have been given jumbled words. Look at the picture, unscramble the word and write the correct word below the picture. So the first picture you can see these are letters. So we will write LETTERS letters. When you have to unscramble the given words, you just look for all the letters. When you are writing the correct word, check whether you have written each and every letter. The second picture is of a cake. E-K-C-A. We will unscramble it and write down cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Third picture is of a present. S-E-N-T-R-E-P. We will unscramble it and write down present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. D. P-P-A-E-R-W-S-E-N. You can see the picture. This is a newspaper. Write down N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. And E, this picture is of a balloon. Very good. This is a balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Let's move to the next exercise. Can you think of describing words that can be used with the following naming words? So what are describing words? Describing words are the words that tell us something about naming words. In this exercise, you have been given some naming words and you have to write down 2 words for them which tell something about the naming words. Let's do the exercise now. A, day. You can name any describing word. You can say hot day, cold day, sunny day, rainy day. So we have written here sunny and rainy. Then next is flowers. Fresh flowers, colorful flowers. Children, describing words are the words which tell you what type of the naming word is. For example, how are the flowers? The flowers are fresh. What comes to your mind when you think of flowers? They are colorful. Yes, the flowers are colorful. So, these are the describing words. Next is food. Tasty, healthy. The next exercise is underline the describing words in the following sentences. You have to underline the describing word. A. The hungry puppy drinks milk. Puppy is hungry. Yes. So hungry is describing the puppy. So the hungry, this word is the describing word. You have to underline hungry. B. Father bakes sweet cakes. How are the cakes? The cakes are sweet. So the describing word here is sweet. Underline it. C. I wrote a long letter to Granny. The letter is long. So the describing word is long. Underline it. D. It is a sunny day. How is the day? The day is sunny. Sunny is the describing word here. E. Danny wiped the dirty toy. How is the toy? The toy is dirty. Dirty is the describing word here. Our next exercise is listen to these words and repeat them after your teacher. cap, cup, carrot, can, camel, candy. In all these words, the sound of C is hard, which means when you say these words, you can clearly understand the sound of C. But in the words mice, rice, city, in these words, the sound of C is soft. So the next exercise is based on this only. Look at the pictures below and write 2 words where the letter C has the hard sound. This is a very easy one because the pictures are also given here. So the A is cow, B is car, and you can see both the words have a hard sound of C. So children, with this we come to the end of the book exercise. Your homework is read the chapter, try to do the exercise on your own, learn the exercise. In the next video, we will be covering the word meanings and the question answers. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting very soon with the next video.